Hi, it's Monday the 21st. I'm about to walk downtown for lunch, and then I'm going to yoga later in the evening, and that's the plan for today. Hi, so it's Tuesday the 22nd. I'm kind of getting a late start to the day, but just been hanging out around the house. It's really kind of dreary and gross out, but I'm about to head off to Walmart because I am going to be giving running a try. As much as I don't like the idea, I've been going to the gym a lot, and I do mostly cycling and then a little bit of yoga, and it hasn't really made a change to my body. Obviously I feel good doing it, but I'm not really seeing any results, so we're gonna give running a try. Probably won't start right away just because I want to use my membership at the gym, but that's till the end of the month, and we're almost at the end, so running is in my future. But anyways, at Walmart I want one of those arm bands for your phone, because I definitely can't run without music or a podcast or something, and also maybe wireless headphones, but I'm not really about to spend a lot of money on that, so we'll see. But yeah, I just gotta let the dog out, and then that's what I'm off to do. Okay, this is mostly a joke, but unboxing my Walmart haul. It's a grand total of 2 things, so pretty serious. Very unprepared. I don't have any scissors. Okay, one second. Okay, so first thing I got was this waist pack. I decided a waist pack instead of a armband was better, because the armbands were all really clunky. Okay, got it. That's what it looks like. It's got 2 little pockets. And the phone just goes in here. And you could wear headphones, but the second thing I got were headphones, so I'm gonna try it on. See what it's like. See what we think. It's good color, won't get run over. It's adjustable, but I mean, it fits. I think it's good. Wow, that was exciting. Wait, I can't get it off. Oh, all right. So that's thing number 1. And then the second thing of my haul are these headphones. I'm not gonna be able to start a career unboxing because I can't freaking figure out how to open anything. Alright, well. Okay, let's see. So we got headphones, directions. Oh, more. That's actually pretty I'm scared they're gonna be uncomfortable. So that could be bad, but we're gonna find out. Okay. Oh, they're quite long. What? I'm confused. Why does that even exist? Well, all right. Let's see. Oh, wow. These are actually nice. They seem like, I mean, obviously they're not noise canceling, they're not that fancy, but they seem pretty good. Cool. Well, I'm giving these a 10 out of 10, besides that they're a bit long. But I think they've got like this, so you can do this little situation, right? So I'll play around with them. All right, well, that's my Walmart unboxing. You got the waistband and the headphones, so got everything I wanted. Can't really complain. Can't wait to start my unboxing haul career. All right, bye. Hi. So it is Wednesday the 23rd, and I am driving to the gym. I'm pretty bummed because it's a beautiful day out, like 80 degrees, and all I've done today is worked, and now I'm going to the gym, so lots of indoor activities today, but work was good, so at least I have that, but not ideal to be inside, and that's pretty much what's happening. So I'm thinking, so that I can kind of enjoy at least somewhat the outdoors, that I will read in the screened-in porch or something after this, but otherwise not much exciting happening. Oh. Well, and on that note, I need to find a better place to put my phone, I think, because you can't really see me, and it always falls there. So next time I might try in front of the steering wheel, but I might start driving a different car soon, so I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, talk to you later. Hi, it's Thursday the 24th. We just went out for ice cream, and then earlier today I worked, and then I went to the gym, and so I just took a shower, and now I think I'm going to work on editing a little bit. That's from my lamp up there, kind of funky, and yeah, and I have to work really early tomorrow morning, so I think it's going to be an early night for me. Hey, it's Sunday, May 27th. I'm about to head out for lunch with Jack. And that's pretty much all I have planned for today. I'm also thinking that I need to clean my room because it's a mess, and I want to paint my nails. But I think me and Jack will probably hang out for a while, and that's the plan.